Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Cost to build a pole barn house. The cost to build a 40 by 60 pole barn house is $35,000 to $70,000 or $15 to $30 per square foot. The larger and more complex pole barn designs cost $45 per square foot, or $100,000 plus when fully finished out. A concrete slab costs an additional $6 per square foot to pour.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Buying pole barn building materials on your own. The main benefit of purchasing a pole barn kit is convenience. Custom options, you can choose whatever design is best for your pole barn. It's often cheaper to buy materials separately.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.